Alright, so how does a dry bulk pneumatic tanker work? Well, let's show you. Alright, so to start off with, you got the PCO. This valve right here, so when it pressurizes to the top, we'll do that. This valve blows everything else off. Our release valve. Just follow the circuit. Okay. Now we come down here and we have a split right here. These are our fluffer valves. I'll show you over the back side. This right here is an air assist. As you see, that line pushes the product, pushes air, pushes. The product comes out of the hopper right there. Comes down, gets the air assist, comes out that way. Let's go take a look at the other side real quick. We'll see how the fluffer valves work. I don't know what they're actually called, but that's what I was talking about. So remember that tube that comes around? We saw it branch off? So this is where it picks up right here. As it comes down, it pressurizes each one of these hoppers. It pressurizes right down there on the bottom. So if I really want to squeeze the product, that's going to I can pressurize it from the bottom and from the top of the top. Which there is. So in a nutshell, that's how these things work. You pressurize the product, then you pressurize the line going out, and it pushes it out. Obviously you want to have more pressure in the tank than you do in the line, because otherwise that's what creates that kind of vacuum. High pressure goes to low pressure. So if you have 10 psi in the tank, you got 8 psi in the line, it's going to push it into the line. If you have 8 psi in the tank and 10 in the line, there's a chance you can backfeed it into the tank. There are times that you actually do that intentionally, like when you get plugged and create a vacuum to unplug it. But that's how it works. In case you wonder how you know when you're empty, you just gauge your basic drop to zero. So that's my tank pressure, that's my line pressure, although that's not true accurate line pressure. Why? For true line pressure, you want it on this line right here. Somewhere after this split. But they put the line pressure in before that split. It's not true line pressure.